Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arshad and you are watching Unlock Sport YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone unavailable if you forgot your 4-digit, 6-digit and alphanumeric passcode. So guys, if you forgot your passcode on your iPhone X, iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and also 17 series without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software. So keep watching the video until then and follow our steps. So guys, let's start this video without wasting your time. You can see appears on screen my iPhone is unavailable. Simply tap on the emergency section and enter the secret pin code star 000604 star 8902 star 8966 star 107 star 5604 star and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, this secret pin code is automatically added on your iPhone backend. You can see pin code is automatically added. Now enter another secret pin code. So guys, follow all steps star 1055 star 888 star 46832 star 1 000 star 7 6841906 762 star and tap on the dialer. When you press the dialer, this code is automatically added on your iPhone backend. You can see pin code is automatically added. Now go back. You can see iPhone is still asking for passcode and passcode is not working and passcode is forgotten. Tap on the emergency section and enter the final secret pin code to unlock your iPhone. So guys, follow all steps to unlock your iPhone and don't miss any part. Star 8900 star 104 888 7694 star 562 star 8922 star 406 star 862 hash and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, your iPhone is automatically unlocked without computer, without passcode, without losing in data, without any third-party software. Simply press the dialer. You can see appears on screen your iPhone is automatically unlocked without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone unavailable, iPhone disable, security lockout and activation lock without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software on your iPhone X, XR, XS and XS Max, iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and also 17 series. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.